Today, I'm finally introducing my brand new BMW GS Adventure trophy. Before we get into the tools and adjustments, here's a quick look at the bike. This is BMW's most capable adventure machine yet, taller, wider, packed with tech, and ready for proper long-distance riding. Let's walk through some of the first adjustments I'm making to set it up exactly the way I like it. One of the first things I wanted to tweak is the windscreen position. On the GSA, you get to fixed points for the mounting brackets, giving you to height settings. Before touching anything, I took a quick look at the manual to check the correct torque values. Always double-check torque specs. It avoids mistakes and keeps everything safe. So, today I'm using a Torx T25 to remove the windscreen, switch it to the higher mounting point, and reinstall everything. Let's get started. Removing the screws is quick. Just make sure you support the windscreen with one hand so it doesn't fall forward. With the screen off, you can clearly see both mounting positions. I'm moving it to the upper one because I prefer more wind protection at highway speeds. Now, tightening everything again with the correct torque. And once it's back in place, let's test the electric windscreen control. Smooth movement, no vibration, everything feels solid. This adjustment alone already makes a difference on taller riders. Next, let's set up the handlebar risers that come with the Enduro Pro kit. For this job, I'm using a Torx T4. Before loosening anything on the handlebar clamp, cover your tank and side fairings with blankets or microfiber cloths. It's a simple step, but it protects the paint in case a tool slips or a clamp drops. Now I'm loosening the bolts that secure the handlebar to the upper triple clamp. With everything released, the bar lifts easily and we can install the risers. If you're using the maximum height, meaning both riser levels from the Enduro Pro kit, you must use the longer bolts provided. Never reuse the short factory bolts in the high setup. A drop of thread locker is recommended, so let's add that now. Then install the risers. Place the handlebar back on top and tighten everything in the reverse order of removal. Again, make sure to follow the torque values from the manual. This is the steering system. Accuracy matters. At this point, we can install the rubber impact protector that also comes with the Enduro Pro kit. Simply follow the included instructions. Pass the buckle straps through the correct channels, tighten them properly, and secure the protector in place. It's a small detail, but it protects your head if you hit the handlebars with it. For anyone curious about what you get in the Enduro Pro kit, here's a quick look. Besides the adjustable handlebar risers, you also get short adjustable brake and clutch levers, designed for better control, especially while standing. Adjustable foot pegs with 2 height levels, allowing you to raise or lower them depending on your riding style. Slim bar-style indicators, mounted directly in the fairing instead of the handguards, a cleaner and more protected setup, especially off-road. And that's the first setup session with my R1300 GS Adventure trophy. Windscreen adjusted, risers installed, and the Enduro Pro upgrades ready for real riding. Here's one last look at the bike before we wrap up. If you enjoyed this garage-style walkthrough, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. More adventure content is coming soon.